Carrots are rich in fiber and other vitamins which are important for baby development, like vitamin K, B6, and vitamin C. And peas also have fiber, carbohydrates, protein, and more vitamins which are good for baby development. I will show you today the recipe of peas and carrot puree for babies. You can start giving this food to your baby when they are around 6 months old. I'm taking 2 small sized carrots and 3 tablespoons of peas. The next step is you need to peel the carrots. After peeling, wash them really well. Take a pan and add your carrots and peas in the pan. I'm going to cook the carrots and peas. If you have a steamer, you can steam them. I sometimes steam and sometimes cook. Today I've chosen to cook because I know some people who don't have a steamer. Add half a cup of water and let it cook on a high flame. Leave the flame high until the vegetables are boiled. Once the vegetables start boiling, cook them on a low flame. Let them cook for around 10 minutes. Keep an eye on your vegetables, otherwise they can't burn. I don't add salt or any other spices in this recipe, but if you think you can add a pinch of salt. The next step is take your blender and put the vegetables in the blender. Make sure you clean it really well. I'm using this blender, which is my normal kitchen blender. If you have a baby blender, you can use that one. Make sure you blend it really well to give it a good puree texture. You can add boiled water if needed. So now you can see here, this is a very smooth puree. My baby loves this food. You can see the texture here is very smooth with no chunks at all, and it tastes good. Now I'm shifting it in a food storage box. Put it in the refrigerator and use within 2 days. Or if you're a busy mom or dad, you can freeze this puree in freezer and defrost and serve to your baby. Thanks so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos. Happy cooking!